Hello friends, welcome to Ada's Creative Ideas. In this video, I am going to tell you how to make a game out of cardboard. It's very easy and you can make it quickly. The things we need to make a cardboard game are white glue, scissors, scale, cardboard, cutter, pen, screwdriver. Now let's start making. First cut 24 centimeters by 20 centimeters rectangle. Now let's start cutting. Cut to 24 centimeters by 20 centimeters rectangles. These are the two rectangles which I have cut. Now put one rectangle aside and draw a small square like this. Now cut the small square on the other rectangle. Now stick it like this with Fevicol. Now it looks like this after we stick. Now make 9 holes like this. Over here we will use the screwdriver to make the holes. This is how it looks after we make the holes. The game is finished. Now we can play the game with 2 players and 9 marbles. We can play this game like whoever put the marbles in the holes first wins. This is the final output. I am going to tell you how to play this game. We need 9 marbles. Now let's see how to play this game. Shape the board like this and whoever put the marbles in the holes first wins. And you can play this game when you are bored and when you are alone. Thanks for watching. Please do it at your home.